The Zion Christian Church, or ZCC, is the largest African-initiated church in southern Africa. Their churches are found in nearly every village. Their badges and uniforms are worn by at least 3 to 4 million members in South Africa alone. The ZCC has its roots in early American Pentecostalism from the late 19th century, whose revivalistic style and emphasis on faith healing caught on quickly in the African community. The ZCC is, without a doubt, one of the largest cults in all of Africa, and there are several reasons why it has spread so rapidly among the people. One is their heavy emphasis on big man theology, which, instead of honoring the chief, they give adoration to its leader, Barnabas Lechanyane. They believe he is a prophet endowed with supernatural powers of signs and wonders. His portrait can be seen in almost every ZCC member's home. He is venerated as the church's mediator, with worship songs and prayers being made to his name. The ZCC is also popular because of its syncretism. It is more than willing to mix certain facets of the Bible with pagan African traditional religion. Thus, staples in the ZCC include special blessed tea, splashing holy water on one's face and back, polygamy, specific dances, distinctive clothing, and particular cords or belts that will protect children from evil spirits. A yearly pilgrimage is also essential, as every year in the town of Maria, not far from our village in Bokota, the ZCC hosts an Easter conference where millions of members gather to give money, sing songs, and worship its leader. The ZCC also puts a heavy emphasis on deliverance from sickness and evil spirits, along with prayer techniques to exorcise demons. It is rare to see a ZCC member leave their church, for they are controlled by fear and have been warned by their leaders. Pray that the true gospel message would take root among the followers of the ZCC, and that a vibrant, dynamic faith would accompany those who have heard and embraced Jesus' words, "If anyone would come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross daily and follow me."